Hello everyone, today we will be talking about Digitek Portable Mini Tripod with 3-leg base. But before we begin, let's have a look at the box first. So as you can see, it's of a very nice black and yellow color. You can see the branding of Digitek right at the top, and right below it you will find the model name, the product name. And you can see some images of the product over here as well, and you can see the images in use, over here. So moving on, you can see it can manage maximum load of 1 kg. It has a maximum operation height of 200 millimeters, that is 7.87 inches. It has a minimum operation height of 5.11 inches, and it has the folded height of 8.46 inches. It also provides you with a weight of 141 grams, and it provides you with 2 sections. So without further ado, let's start off with the unboxing. So there you go, there's our tripod stand right over here. There you go. As you can see, it's a very nice black and red color, and there you have the extensions too when you look at it. So as you can see, you can adjust the length of the legs by using these right over here. There you go. Now as you can see, they have provided you with a phone mount over here as well. So let me just open this and let me just show it to you. So there's our phone mount right over here, as you can see. So let me attach my phone over here and show it to you how it looks. So it's pretty handy, so you can use it as a gimbal too if you want. So that's all folks, this is all about Digitek Mini Portable Tripod Stand. Thank you so much for watching the video. Cut.